Several post-violence reported in Meghalaya yesterday following the counting of votes for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly election 2023. The Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills, yesterday released an order under the Section 144 CRPC imposed curfew in Sasnyang and Nangbak villages with immediate effect and until further orders. CM Conrad K. Sangma has submitted the letter of resignation as Chief Minister of Meghalaya to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Pagu Chauhan, and also staking a claim to form the new government. PM Modi addresses post-budget webinar on boosting India's tourism potential. President Draupadi Murmu to inaugurate International Dhamma Conference in Bhopal today.